Hello and welcome to our video assignment 4 symbol table. Me, Oscar Rodriguez, and Fabrice have worked on this assignment together. So let us go ahead and see what we came up with. We'll take a look first at our unique tree class. And in this class, it builds a tree. It takes in a node with left and right values. We'll scroll down to the methods that we've created, that we've implemented. So we have our first one, which is double even numbers, where it takes in a node or it takes in the root, checks to see if it is even. If that is the case, it will double it and call it recursively left to right. For sum of right children, it has a recursion method as well, where it takes in a root and it has a variable for sum. And if it checks to see if the node has a right child. If that is the case, it will add the value to the sum, and recursively it will call left and right, adding the sum that is returned from those methods. In our count leaf parents, we have a recursion method for this one as well, where it takes in the root and it has a Boolean method called is leaf parent. And it checks to see if the left is null or if the left of the left is null and the right is null. And similar to for the right side where right left is null and right right is null. And it takes into account and checks it to see if it is a leaf parent. If it is true, it'll become 1. If it is false, 0. It'll take that recursively left to right and adding to the count. Going down, we have average of odd numbers, where we have a q, and nq is the root, and two variables for the sum and count. And we do this in level order. So it takes in the value, it checks to see if it is not even, and it add the value to the sum and increase the count. And it will do this from left to right, returning the average and casting it to a double. Next method is our public greatest, or is our greatest difference, and it has an array of min-max with the find max q method taking the root and returning the min-max 1, index 1, minusing to the 0. And in this method, it has an array of left min-max calling recursionally the left child or the left side of the node and the right side for right min max. And it will return our int array for max min. And we'll go ahead and run this in our test. I did not mean to comment this out. We'll go ahead and run this. And as you can see, it has a count of nodes with all children leaves 12. Sum of right children 454. Average of all numbers 49. Greatest difference between two numbers 59, negative 59. And just to check, this is the reason why this is commented out is because for the sum of right children, it does take in the double values. So the answer would be 376 for the original. And so moving along with the presentation, I'll go ahead and answer the questions. Did me and my partner pair program? Yes, me and Fabrice did pair program this. How often did we meet? We met the same Friday that was of the week when we got assigned, talked about this assignment. And there was clear communication where we talked through Discord, text messages, and everything was crystal clear. Communication was great with them, with each other. And switching roles, yeah, and we did. There were some methods that we focused on more. That took lead in some methods on on the programming part. Did we make positive and respectful attitude? We absolutely did. The hardest part, I think, was not being too sure on some methods where this is where we like help each other, like ask each other questions, kind of like, hey, this is what we should do. But I think it kind of helps us, overcome those challenges when we hit like a roadblock, when I hit one or if he hits one. I think it comes down to that communication. And I would say our payload distribution is definitely 50-50. He did a great job. I think I did a great job. So yeah, that's everything for this video. Thank you.